Welcome back to Modern Homes and Gardens, where inspiration meets timeless design, and every space holds the potential for something extraordinary. Today, we're exploring the power of transformation and the beauty of thoughtful design. Every home tells a story, and every room presents an opportunity to create an environment that feels more inviting, more functional, and more reflective of the people who live there. Whether a space is large or small, modern or traditional, the principles of great design remain the same: balance, comfort, character, and purpose. A well-designed interior is never just about appearances, it's about creating an atmosphere that enhances everyday living. The right combination of textures, materials, lighting, and layout can completely change the way a room feels. Natural light can bring warmth and energy, while carefully selected finishes add depth and personality. Even the smallest details can contribute to a sense of harmony and refinement. One of the most exciting aspects of design is discovering hidden potential. Spaces that may seem overlooked or underutilized can often become some of the most beautiful and functional areas within a home. Through creativity, planning, and attention to detail, ordinary rooms can be transformed into inspiring environments that support relaxation, productivity, and connection. Modern design continues to evolve, blending timeless craftsmanship with contemporary innovation. Clean lines, natural materials, and thoughtful organization remain popular because they create spaces that feel both elegant and livable. At the same time, personal expression plays an increasingly important role, allowing homeowners to create interiors that are uniquely their own. The most successful spaces often strike a balance between beauty and practicality. Storage solutions can be seamlessly integrated into the design. Decorative elements can also serve functional purposes. By approaching every design decision with intention, it becomes possible to create interiors that not only look exceptional, but also support daily life in meaningful ways. Another key element of great design is layering. Combining different textures, finishes, and materials creates visual interest and depth. Soft textiles, warm wood tones, natural stone surfaces, and carefully chosen accents work together to create a rich and welcoming environment. These layers help a space feel complete while maintaining a sense of comfort and authenticity. As trends come and go, timeless design principles continue to stand the test of time. Quality materials, thoughtful layouts, and a focus on craftsmanship ensure that a space remains beautiful for years to come. Rather than chasing temporary styles, investing in enduring design choices often results in homes that feel both current and timeless. At Modern Homes and Gardens, we believe that every space has the potential to become something remarkable. Whether you are planning a major renovation, refreshing a single room, or simply gathering ideas for the future, inspiration can be found in every corner of the design world. Thank you for spending time with us today. If you enjoyed this journey through the world of beautiful interiors and creative living, be sure to follow Modern Homes and Gardens for more design inspiration, innovative ideas, and stunning transformations. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep discovering the possibilities that great design can bring into your home.